Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a classic fighter jet comparison that aviation enthusiasts have debated for decades. F-16 fighting Falcon versus the Russian Su-27 flanker. Both of these aircraft have been iconic symbols of their respective countries' air power, and each brings a unique set of strengths and weaknesses to the table. If you've ever wondered which one truly dominates the skies, stick around, because we're breaking it all down. Let's start with the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Developed by General Dynamics in the 1970s and later produced by Lockheed Martin, the F-16 was designed as a lightweight, highly maneuverable, multi-role fighter. Its main goal was to provide the US Air Force with an agile aircraft capable of air superiority missions while still performing ground attack operations effectively. The F-16 is renowned for its simplicity, advanced avionics, and excellent dogfighting capability. With a maximum speed of around Mach 2 and a combat radius of roughly 340 miles on a typical mission, the F-16 is both fast and versatile. Its fly-by-wire system gives it exceptional agility, making it one of the most maneuverable jets in the world, especially at close range. When it comes to armament, the F-16 is no slouch. It typically carries a combination of AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles for air-to-air combat, along with an internal M61 Vulcan cannon for dogfighting. For ground attack missions, it can carry a wide array of bombs and precision-guided munitions, which allows it to adapt to almost any combat scenario. Another significant advantage of the F-16 is its advanced radar and avionics suite. The AN/APG-68 radar, combined with modern upgrades, allows pilots to detect and engage targets at long distances, giving the F-16 a significant edge in situational awareness. Now, let's shift our focus to the Russian Su-27 flanker. Designed during the Cold War by Sukhoi, the Su-27 was intended to counter advanced US fighters like the F-15 Eagle. It's a larger and heavier aircraft compared to the F-16, but this comes with benefits like long-range capability, superior endurance, and impressive payload capacity. The Su-27 can reach speeds slightly higher than the F-16, clocking in at over Mach 235, and it has a significantly greater range of around 1,340 miles without refueling. This gives it the ability to patrol and engage targets over vast distances, a crucial factor in large-scale air operations. The Su-27's strength lies not only in speed and range, but also in its raw maneuverability. Thanks to its powerful engines and aerodynamic design, including its distinctive twin-tail configuration, the Su-27 can perform extreme maneuvers like the Pugachev's Cobra, an advanced aerial move that showcases its superlative agility. In terms of armament, the Su-27 carries a 30mm GSH-31 cannon and a variety of missiles, including the R-27 and R-73 air-to-air missiles. These weapons, combined with the flanker's ability to carry a massive fuel and weapons load, make it a deadly adversary in both long-range and close combat scenarios. When comparing avionics, the F-16 has traditionally held the edge in radar technology, pilot interface, and systems integration. However, Russian engineers have continually upgraded the Su-27 over the years, resulting in variants like the Su-27SM and Su-35 that feature modern phased array radars, improved electronics, and enhanced targeting systems. While the F-16 emphasizes pilot situational awareness and streamlined avionics, the Su-27 relies on raw power, speed, and maneuverability, making it a different kind of threat. Another factor to consider is operational flexibility. The F-16's smaller size, lighter weight, and simpler maintenance requirements make it easier to deploy in various environments, including forward air bases and temporary runways. The Su-27, being larger and heavier, requires more robust infrastructure, which can limit its operational deployment in certain regions. However, when fully deployed, the Su-27's endurance and payload capacity allow it to project air power over vast distances, which is something the F-16 cannot match without aerial refueling. In terms of combat philosophy, the F-16 is designed for quick, decisive strikes, leveraging its agility, advanced sensors, and multi-role flexibility. The Su-27, on the other hand, is built for air dominance, relying on its size, power, and exceptional maneuverability to dominate engagements, particularly at longer ranges. In a direct dogfight, both aircraft are extremely capable, but the outcome depends heavily on pilot skill, tactical awareness, and the specific scenario of the engagement. It's also worth noting the global impact of these jets. The F-16 has been widely exported and flown by over 25 countries, making it one of the most recognizable and battle-tested aircraft in the world. Its proven combat record in conflicts like the Gulf War, Operation Allied Force, and modern Middle Eastern operations demonstrates its reliability and effectiveness. The Su-27, while not as widely exported initially, has also seen combat in various regional conflicts and has spawned numerous variants that continue to serve in Russia and other countries, highlighting its continued relevance. So how do these two fighters truly compare? The F-16 is fast, agile, and highly adaptable, excelling in multi-role operations and pilot-friendly technology. The Su-27 is larger, more powerful, and incredibly maneuverable, built to assert air dominance and engage enemies over long distances. In a head-to-head confrontation, factors like pilot experience, mission parameters, and support infrastructure often determine the winner rather than raw specifications alone. In conclusion, the F-16 and Su-27 represent two different approaches to air combat. One focuses on lightweight agility, advanced avionics, and global deployability, while the other emphasizes raw power, endurance, and close combat superiority. Both jets are remarkable in their own right and have earned a lasting place in aviation history. Whether you prefer the sleek versatility of the F-16 or the formidable presence of the Su-27, there's no denying that these fighters continue to inspire awe among pilots and aviation fans worldwide. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into fighter jets and want to see more comparisons like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep looking up at the skies.